features a flexible aluminum band to be worn around the user's neck or waist. The band is attached to the D-Rig support, which allows you to face your device to grant comfortable access. Application is really straightforward. All you need to do is lock in the device with a reliable blocking system. There's no limits to Suspendo's applications. You can always find new ways to use this stand. The device can be used in a standing position, as well as while lying down or sitting. With Suspendo, video conference becomes easy and comfortable. And so does reading, watching videos, and much more. Suspendo is the best mobile device holder for all frequent travelers. Suspendo is a wearable support designed to allow users to carry their mobile devices and free their hands. Suspendo is designed to facilitate steady and reliable video shooting with your smartphone or tablet device. Suspendo allows handicapped to talk, read, work, especially if they're on crutches or constrained in bed or on a wheelchair.